All right, a little tone here. I know that there's some iron in here. Kind of a bullet tone. There it is. Yep. Yep. 3-ringer. Sweet. All right. And another good tone here right next to this tree. I'll let y'all dig it with me. Still haven't pinpointed it. Oh no, it's right here. Let's see if I can get it pinpointed. Damn, y'all, that sounds like a dang button. I'm gonna be pinpointing right about here. And it's not deep at all either. Nope, tack. All right, working on a deep one here. It's exactly as deep as my pinpointer is. Side of this hill. Up. Ooh, I think I see some light in the hole down there. Yep, I feel it, round ball. Yep, round ball. Let's double check this hole. Yep, there's more in the hole. Oh, what we got? What we got? Oh, I see a buck ball. Go with that round ball. This is right. This is right next to where I dug the bullet spill at a couple weeks ago. Oh, I see more down in there. There's another round ball and I see a buck ball. There's another round ball. And oh, I missed it. There's another buck ball. Double check his hole again. I think that's it. 2 round balls and 2 buck balls so far. All right, Dawson says he's got a good one here. Let's see what he gets. There it is. What is it?
3-ringer.
Machine groove 3-ringer too. See how perfect the lines are on there?
Yeah, they're fine lines.
Good deal, man.
Not fine.
Check that hole, make sure.
I think it's dropped.
Just kind of a sketchy tone here. It's reading up in the 80s and 90s. There is a fence that was here. Oh, I see a round ball. Another round ball. God, this place is covered in round balls. All right, this is what's coming out of the hole so far. Right, bullet pit's still giving. Dawson said he's got some lead over here. Let's see what it is. I see it right there. What we got? A 3-ringer. Still got powder in the base. Yeah, good. Good 3-ringer. First non-round ball out of the hole so far.
Good time.
All right, back where the Mississippi buttons come from. Dawson's with me. He got in the bullet pit earlier. Adam's here with me. I got a screaming 92 on my dais too. I just went down, looked down, looked down, looked down. Look what's popping out. We've got a freaking plate. Oh, it's still got a hook on it right there. Right there's the hook.
There's a toothbrush, man. You want to clean it off.
See where?
I think it's going to be plain face mitered edge. It is, it's plain face. It's mitered edge. I think they call this an noble plate, if I'm not mistaken.
It just went dark.
It will.
Beautiful plate, Bubba. The hooks are in there.
There's black in there, man.
Woohoo! How you turn it off? I don't know how you turn it off.
All right, little clean up here. I just dug the plate, so if I'm shaking, I'm sorry. You can see the round balls, the buck balls, 3-ringer. There's Dawson's pile. He's got a part of a knapsack buckle, a finial, some 3-ringers, round balls. It's actually got a piece of leather right here too. This is the back of that plate I just dug. I did get lucky and actually found the other hook in the hole, but I can't seem to find the third one. But I think it was lost long ago. But here's the front of it. It does have, looks like a stab mark in it. I don't know how well you're going to be able to tell it, but killer freaking plate, y'all. Never would have thought this would have come out of here.